Good day, I'm Lorraine Mendez and this is your JIS News for Tuesday, June 13. Government's partnership with private pharmacies for the dispensing of drugs to patients of the public health sector has seen a significant reduction in waiting time and a vast improvement in the filling of prescriptions. Minister of Health Dr. Christopher Tufton says since the introduction of the public sector pharmacy partner pilot program last December, over 17,000 prescriptions have been filled.
During the course of this year, we are going to ensure that we have this public-private arrangement in 50 pharmacies across Jamaica, in every parish, guided by some protocol. One such is that it will be within a certain range of the hospitals in the parish, so persons can walk from the hospital and go to that particular pharmacy.
Minister Tufton was delivering the keynote address at the recent official opening of the upgraded drug-serve pharmacy in Greater Portmore, St. Catherine. 16 pharmacies in 3 parishes are on the project, 4 in Maypen, 7 in Kingston and 5 in Montego Bay. Approximately 190 vital, essential and necessary pharmaceutical items have been approved for the program. Patients are required to sign up to participate and must have a Government of Jamaica Health Card or the National Health Fund card. Persons will be asked to pay $200 to offset administrative costs. Meanwhile, the upgrading of the drug-serve pharmacy in Greater Portmore will further improve the services offered to patients in the area. The project was financed by the National Health Fund at a cost of $42 million. The facility now has 5 dispensing windows, up from 1, a fully enclosed waiting area to accommodate 65 patients, and a counseling room.
Having opened officially this facility today, we will see a much more efficient, a much smoother transaction time, efficient time, the delivery of the service, and the people of Portmore will be the beneficiaries.
The Health Minister says the upgraded building will now be able to meet the requirements of the Pharmacy Council of Jamaica and international standards for people with disabilities. On average, the pharmacy dispenses 6,000 prescriptions for up to 320 patients each month. Children and elderly patients represent the majority of its clients. The Andrew Holness-led government has pledged to make its services the first fully digital system in the region. The Prime Minister says integrating technology into government services will not only create greater access to public goods, it will also increase productivity and reduce red tape.
We're not emphasizing the digital society because it sounds good. We're emphasizing the creation of the digital society because it will bring economic growth and job creation.
Prime Minister Holness was speaking at a recent e-governance briefing facilitated by the Inter-American Development Bank. He said the 2018 implementation of the $68 million National Identification System would be the first step towards achieving a digital society. And to facilitate online access to all government services, Mr. Holness pointed out that the state had signed off on a governance strategy and e-governance policy and had appointed a Chief Information Officer to oversee the process. Executive Director of the National Solid Waste Management Authority, Audley Gordon, says he will be increasing the number of garbage receptacles in the town of Santa Cruz, St. Elizabeth. Mr. Gordon says this is to curb the illegal and willful disposal of garbage on the streets and in no-dumping areas.
We have discovered where several business owners in Santa Cruz have no arrangement in place to remove their garbage. We have seen where taximen, they have the different points that they gather all over the town. There's no arrangement in place for them to dispose of their boxed juices, their drinks bottles, etc.
Mr. Gordon was speaking at the authority's Solid Waste Day event held last Thursday in the town. And finally, a diaspora marketplace will be part of the Jamaica 55 Diaspora Conference, scheduled for July 23 to 27 at the Jamaica Conference Center. Chairman of the Jamaica Diaspora Conference 2017, Earl Jarrett, says the marketplace will provide for active business interactions for private and public sector entities that do business with the diaspora.
The idea here is that we're creating at the conference center a space for enterprises to showcase and sell their services. And so this will be, primary for those companies that can afford, whether booth or tabletop. And the government itself will also be there. Many agencies that do business with the diaspora.
Mr. Jarrett was speaking at a JIS think tank recently. Business operators interested in setting up booths can contact the Ministry of Foreign Affairs and Foreign Trade or email their requests to mfaft.gov.jm/conference, dca@mafaft.gov.jm, or Lisa Ogilvy at CaribbeanEventsGroup.com. For persons attending the conference, registration before June 22 is $18,000 for the full conference package. After that, the rate goes up to $22,000. And that's it for JIS News Today. I'm Lorraine Mendez. Thanks for watching.